In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate pips on TradingView, a crucial skill for any Forex trader. Let's dive right in and make sure you grasp each step with clarity and precision. First things first, you'll need to navigate to tradingview.com and log into your account. If you don't have one yet, it's straightforward to sign up and you'll find access to a comprehensive suite of charting tools that traders swear by. Once you've logged in, you'll want to open the chart of the Forex pair you're looking to analyze. This could be commonly traded pairs like EUR USD, GBP USD, or any other of your choice. The platform offers a clean interface, making it easy to pick out exactly what you're looking for. Now, with your desired currency pair chart open, let's move on to the next step, using the price range tool. This tool is typically located on the left-hand toolbar. It resembles a vertical bracket. Don't worry, you'll recognize it when you see it. Select the price range tool and then click on the entry price level on your chart, dragging it to your intended exit price level. This visual representation will help you stay organized, allowing a neat calculation of the price difference you're dealing with. With that done, you'll see the price range tool displaying the difference between your chosen price points directly on the chart. It's essential to understand how many pips this translates to, depending on the Forex pair you're dealing with. For most currency pairs, like the EUR USD, a single pip is equivalent to 0.001. However, if your pair involves the Japanese yen, like USD JPY, things are slightly different, with 1 pip equaling 0.01. So, knowing these details is key to accurate pip calculation. To convert the displayed price difference into pips, you'll follow a straightforward formula. For standard currency pairs such as EUR USD, you'll divide the price difference by 0.001 to get the pip value. Alternatively, if you're dealing with JPY pairs, you'll divide the price difference by 0.01. This simple act of division allows for an accurate understanding of the market movements in terms of pips. Let me illustrate this with a couple of examples for clarity. Suppose the price range tool indicates a difference of 0.0050 on an EUR USD chart. You'd calculate the pips by dividing 0.0050 by 0.001, resulting in 50 pips. Similarly, if you're working with a USD JPY chart and see a difference of 0.5 divide this by 0.01, which also gives you 50 pips. See how easy that was? Following these steps will ensure you can calculate pips confidently using TradingView's tools. Practice is key, so try this out a few times with different charts to get the hang of it. Happy trading!